Introverts don't hate talking. We just hate talking without meaning. Small talk feels like noise to us. Weather, updates, forced laughter, surface-level questions. It drains us faster than silence ever could. But give us a quiet room, a real topic, a conversation about purpose, emotions, dreams, life, and suddenly we come alive. We don't want to talk to everyone. We want to connect with someone who listens with curiosity, thinks with depth, and speaks from the heart instead of the ego. We value souls, not voices, presence, not popularity, depth, not distraction. So if an introvert chooses to talk with you, really talk. Understand that it's not random. It's trust. It's interest. It's connection. We don't avoid people. We avoid conversations that don't feed the soul.